sound in a way that you're not typically used to. The vibration gets picked up by your head and is carried to your inner ear. People that use the DreamPad saw this immediate calming effect.
It just takes me to this other realm, really.
I'm Dr. Michael Bruce, also known as the Sleep Doctor. Even if you're just having a mild amount of stress but it's not sleep related, this is a tool that I pull out of my tool belt for all different types of patients.
That it can help reduce the stress in your life and improve your day-to-day performance.
Now you can get a refreshing night's sleep and wake up feeling energized with cutting-edge SleepPhones headphones. Designed by a family doctor, SleepPhones are the world's most comfortable, bed-friendly headphones. SleepPhones provide a safe and natural way to fall asleep without bulky headphones or painful earbuds. The product's innovative design features ultra-slim headphones embedded inside of a super soft, machine-washable headband. Listen to soothing nature sounds, guided meditation, audiobooks, or simply relaxing music. SleepPhones Wireless provides superior sound quality with eco-friendly lead-free electronics. At the touch of a button, the cord-free headphones are easily paired with any Bluetooth-enabled device. Choose from our signature Sleep Cloud fleece or our cool, lightweight Breeze fabric, available in extra small, one size fits most, and extra large. The speakers inside are fully adjustable to suit your unique head shape. SleepPhones have helped hundreds of thousands of individuals with insomnia, jet lag, tinnitus, and even those with a noisy bedmate sleep better. With SleepPhones Wireless, listening to audio in bed is now a dream come true.